A'udhu billahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. A Muslim man was feeling very sad because he had a difficult decision to make. He was the manager of a big hotel in Iraq and was very good at his job. His bosses really liked him. However, one part of his job made him feel very bad. He had to serve alcoholic drinks, which is not allowed in Islam. This made him feel ashamed and unhappy. The man decided to ask for advice from a well known sheikh in Iraq. He met the sheikh and explained his problem. The sheikh immediately said, "You must leave this job." The man replied, "But this is the only job I know how to do. I have worked in this field my whole life. I don't know how to do anything else. I have a wife and children to take care of. If I leave this job, we will have no money." The sheikh said, "Did you come to me thinking I would tell you it is okay to do what Allah forbids? Leave this job for the sake of Allah." The sheikh reminded him of a verse from the Quran, "And whoever is conscious of Allah, He will make for him a way out and will provide for him from where he does not expect. And whoever relies upon Allah, then He is sufficient for him." The man went back to the hotel, knowing he had to make a very hard decision. He was scared about what might happen to his family if he quit his job, but he had strong faith and trusted Allah. He prayed, "Oh Allah, I trust you and I am doing this only for you. Please help me." He went to his office, sat down, and started writing his resignation letter. While he was writing, the phone rang. It was his boss calling with good news. The man was shocked and happy to hear that he had been promoted. He was now going to manage a new hotel in Al-Madinah, the holy city of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. This new hotel did not sell any alcohol. Subhanallah, his prayer was answered before he even finished writing the resignation letter. Today the man is still the manager of the hotel in Medina. Jazakallah.